Riggs, Scott Picardo, Butcher, Zamora, Riggs. Good to see Picardo back on the course right now, getting that alpha colors rolling, bringing him in and out of that last turn. Picardo coming back to line with a Rock 1, and Dougie Butcher going to pick it up for the 2. That's the way to go. Adam Moto 197. 198 to Moto Simmons, Thompson, Elliott, Robinson, Elliott, Finch. Sully Finch getting it done out front. Colorado boy in and out of that last turn tunnel. He's going to go coming back through. It's all Finch on the top spot. Keeping it smooth all the way back to the line. Finch going to roll with Hobson back to the stripe out of Moto 198. 199 is the Moto 17-18 experts. Oh, my man Dozer did it done. Haley, good to see this kid out front, man, coming off a big injury out of Chula Vista this year. Smashed the collarbone down. Looks like he's getting back on track right where he left off, coming back through. In and out we're going to go. Moses sitting on that 2 spot, but it's all Haley. Moses going to go 1 and 2 back the line. Dozer, Moses. 1 and 2.